High pressure and settled weather has been the theme of today, with the current pressure at 413 HQ at 1046.1 and still rising. High temperatures today were seen at Kilorgan in Ireland at 12 degrees, also at 12 were Harkstead in the eastern part of England and Chichester at 12 as well, 11 in Dublin. Low temperatures overnight were mainly in Scotland and across the Republic of Ireland, with low temperatures down to -5 at Annaghmore and in Thomastown and Allenwood in Ireland. Taking a look at the current weather advisories, we are looking at more freezing conditions tonight as we saw last night across much of the UK and Ireland, although mainly across England and Wales this time, with some wind advisories further north in Scotland. As we get towards the late evening hours, this is what happens. You can see the sort of rotation there with that high pressure moving over and really low temperatures in some locations down to -2, mainly in England and Wales as mentioned. Elsewhere should remain above freezing. It will get a bit breezy on the western coastlines but dry, with some drizzly intervals on Monday across the western islands and the western part of Ireland, but elsewhere it will remain dry on Monday, with temperatures getting up towards double figures in quite a few locations. Even in northern Scotland they're 9 degrees in quite a few locations, 10 in Edinburgh, and in Belfast 9 degrees there. Across the Republic of Ireland, a little bit higher there as well, 11 degrees there. And in England and Wales, it's going to be quite a bit cooler. Temperatures struggling there to get above 8 degrees Celsius for the most part across England and Wales, but mostly clear skies. So especially with the days getting a little bit longer, the strength of the sun might start to work in your favour if you're out and about. But still generally clear skies there across England and Wales. Higher cloud cover further north, but still a decent day for most involved. Not much in terms of wind either. It's mainly the western extremities of the country there that will be getting those higher wind gusts from the Atlantic. But you can see that front moving in, and that will take place on Monday evening. You can see it here, really thrashing the western coast of Scotland. But still ahead of that is England and Wales, with temperatures down to -4 in parts of the south. And that is coming up with lots of low cloud and fog there as well. Tuesday, that front breaks down after delivering lots of rainfall to the Western Isles of Scotland, and by the afternoon hours you can see its progress here. Behind that front, in Scotland, temperatures getting up till around 10 degrees there, but a few cool areas there, and still a little bit drizzly across Cumbria and across Anglesey and maybe the southeastern part of Ireland, but temperatures are increasing again, 10 degrees across the for the most part of Ireland, but temperatures really struggling in a few of those foggy banks in central and southern England, with only 3 degrees in the Bristol area. 9 degrees up in Yorkshire will probably be the best pick out of the English weather for Tuesday, and generally getting highs of 8 in Wales with cloud in the west. But once again, for most areas there, it is going to be another very sunny day and quite a few stretches of clear skies there with that band of cloud in the middle. And it's not going to be very windy either with that. There's lots of wind out at sea you can see there, but through that front itself, it will have mostly deteriorated by that point. It'll be quite calm. Into Wednesday, another area of front with rainfall not quite reaching the country yet, but another very foggy night in parts of southern England and Wales, freezing fog into the minuses, and another decent day on Wednesday with very clear skies once again across England and Wales. Temperatures struggling though as a result, but further north temperatures much more milder under much more cloud cover, and a little bit of drizzle across Scotland and maybe parts of northern and western Ireland, but you can see that much bigger front on its way as we get towards the later part of the week. But generally it's looking decent, if not a bit cold.